Hi guys, it's Ines. Welcome to my channel. Today I would like to talk about travel. Traveling is a part of my life and I believe it's the same with most of you guys. Since I moved to the US, I haven't traveled much at all simply because I couldn't take a flight. But when I can, I definitely would choose to fly and go somewhere with a lot of nature. So let's open up Ines's chest and see what's in there. What do you think, guys? Wasn't it beautiful? But I have to confess that this trip was made before I started my YouTube channel. A lot of the footages are actually in my head. Luckily, I managed to show most part of the nature in this trip. As a wrap up, I think Branson is really a good place to go if you are celebrating, be it family, friends, or romance. Trust me, it will definitely put you center stage. The live show hosts will never forget anybody's birthday or anniversaries. Besides its live shows, it's also a nature lover's paradise. Over there, you won't even need to worry about where to spend your time. Well, as we're talking about time, if you like colors or like photography, I think autumn is definitely the best time to visit Branson. Each year from mid-September to November, the Ozark Mountains are just full of the rich fall colors of red, orange, and yellow. The sceneries from afar are just stunning. Lastly, if you would like to travel in style and wear jewelries that you can make on your own, like this, please do check out my Etsy shop. I'll put a website address down below, and you will find a lot of step-by-step jewelry making tutorials that might be helpful to you. that's it from me, and now it's time for you to tell me what you think about Branson if you have been there. I promise I'll check every comment down below. And finally, please share, like, and subscribe. And anything you do to this channel will mean so much to me. Alright, that's it from me today. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.